One product that I'm loving right now is the Kendall Jenner Platinum Advanced Teeth Whitening Pen. This one is in the flavor of Platinum Mint. And what you do with this is a great, it's just a gel that you can layer on your teeth. You want to put it on your teeth, wait 30 seconds, and then before you close your mouth, and then wait 10 to 30 minutes before you eat or drink. And it is going to help keep those pearly whites pearly white. I really like it. I keep this in my purse with me. And when I realize I'm not going to be eating or drinking anything for a little while, I will go ahead and take advantage of this at that time. But it's just a little gel pen, and I brush it on, and don't close your mouth. So, as I continue to let this dry, put this in your cart today.